Hi, my name is Lefred and this is MySQL Shorts. Today we will see how we can configure a nice prompt for MySQL Shell. If you install MySQL Shell, by default you can see this prompt with some color, but it's not that nice. And if we connect to a server, for example, we will also see the prompt that change. Here I save my password, and we can see that the prompt has changed here, but it's not beautiful, right? It says it's SSL, the port, the server. By default, we have some prompts some prompt models that are already installed. They are here. So I take one with I think is the nicest one, and I will copy it in my home directory .mysqlsh prompt.json. So that's the name of the file that is used as prompt. Now I will launch again MySQL Shell, and as you can see, my prompt now is a bit nicer, looks better. And let's connect again to the server. And here we can see that it has SSL security, but we have a strange character here. But the prompt is nice. So why do we have this strange character? It's because of the font we are using. This is not a font that has all these awesome icons. And if I change it, as you can see here, it's a much nicer icon. So I will show you my terminal, and my terminal font is using this one, the Fantask Sun Mono Regular with the awesome, and you can find it there. So in my prompt, this is the file of the prompt file, and we can see we can define a lot of stuff in it for the colors, how big they are and stuff. And we can see that we have also some variables already predefined, for example, the production servers one. So let's use it. So on my system here, I will export a variable called production server, and I will put MySQL 1 and localhost in it. So now if I connect to MySQL 1, I can see that in my prompt it has the production server highlighted there, mentioned. And if I connect on localhost, for example, I have exactly the same production, because these servers are production. So let's change again the production server and just MySQL 1, not localhost. And this time, if I connect to MySQL 1, I'm still in production. If I connect to localhost, I'm not in production anymore. So thank you for watching. Press like and subscribe.